The Major Deegan Expressway remains closed in both directions in the stretch between Fordham Road and Van Cortlandt Park South. We're looking at the area right around West 230th Street. That is the overpass for 234th Street. Multiple tractor trailers, trucks, other vehicles, dozens and dozens of vehicles stranded in the floodwaters on the Major Deegan Expressway. Again, this is closed currently in both directions, and there you can see some of these cars which had the water go up to the roof, practically up to the roof, some of them up to the windows. There are multiple areas along the stretch of the Deegan. Again, this is between Fordham Road and Van Cortlandt Park South, so it will take quite some time for all of this to clear out. It's not just one area that needs to be for the water to recede before the highway can be reopened. Of course, we have all of these vehicles that were stranded, which will then need to be removed. So if you're traveling around, like we've been saying, in many areas, try to avoid the Major Deegan Expressway. You should only be traveling this afternoon if it's absolutely necessary. We're seeing multiple local governments, county governments urge people to not travel, to stay away from certain areas, or to simply shelter in place where they currently are. But again, if you are traveling, if it's absolutely necessary, the Major Deegan Expressway is completely shut down between Van Cortlandt Park South and Fordham Road, and there are significant delays as a result in both directions. Okay.